Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the last 4 eggs in the Wonder Egg Hunt event in Heartopia. So we have Vanya's, we have Blanc's, Mrs. Jones, and Bailey's. For Mrs. Jones, you will need to spawn a car here and just kind of go on top of it, and you can take a picture from this angle and you will get it instantly, her egg ornament. And then okay, I'm just going to claim this first. And then for Bailey's Easter egg ornament, you're just going to walk here. It's like next to these stairs. Here's where it is on the map, just in case you want to know. It's very close to Bailey. And you're just going to then take a picture of the Easter egg ornament, and you're just going to claim the reward as per usual. For the last two, you do have to go to like Blanc's store, flower shop, garden shop. I don't know. Just go to Blanc, and then you'll find the Easter egg kind of like here in this area. Here's where it is on the map, by the way. And you're just going to again take a picture of it like so. Then from Blanc's like area, you're just going to go to Vanya's like place. I couldn't remember where it was because he's like in like the festival event, but he's actually like the placement of the egg is actually here where he usually spawns. So it's like in the bushes. Here's where it is on the map, just in case you guys want to know. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!